Welcome dear children. In this session, we will learn how to set password to a Word document. Why it is needed? See, sometimes what happens when you create a file, that file is important to you. It is a crucial file. You want to keep it private or hidden from others so that others do not access that file. In that case, we can always set a password to any Word file. Where else you have seen this setting of password? Definitely, you must have seen setting a password to your devices. Also, you must have seen in your devices some applications are also logged. So that is for the application files. Here we will learn now how to apply password to Word file. So for that, let us start. We'll begin with, you'll click on start button, then pop-up menu will appear with many application program files. You will look for MS Office Suite and click on more option. Drop down list will appear. From there you have to look for MS Word. Now children, one more thing. This is the traditional step which we are following from years. So here also we can make our work easier. How? You can always pin the application programs which you frequently use to the taskbar. So for that you have to first select the file, then right click. As you right click, this type of option will appear. So here from more option, as you click on more option, further three sub options will appear, that is pin to taskbar, run as administrator and open file location. We want to pin it to taskbar. So we'll select the first option. As you select, you will see the Word file on the taskbar. Can you see here? It got selected and it is pinned to our taskbar. So this gives us an advantage of directly selecting the application, and as you click on the Word file, see Word window will appear. Now click on blank document because we want to create a document and learn how to set password. So Word window appears on your screen. Now I have to set a password to my Word file. That means definitely let me first start typing. So I will do some editing. I'll type, and I will not edit this time because I just want to show you how to set a password. And one more thing children, as I am typing, you please overlook the spelling mistakes because here I am doing it in hurry. So I'll write down something about word processor tool. So word processor is a wonderful tool which allows us with many features. It helps the user to create document. So these features, when we apply, it make our Word document look attractive. Some other features also we have discussed in MS Word. The first feature, that is formatting features, where we have learned how to change the font color, then background color, size, style. We have also learned about editing features like cut, copy, paste. And one more interesting new feature this year what we have learned is format painter, which allows the formatting of any other text what we want to get copied, and after selecting it you apply it on the other documents, that will also get applied with the same type of formatting. Clipboard, cut, copy, paste we have discussed, edit we have discussed, undo, redo. Then find and replace also I have explained you how to find any word from Word document. You can also replace it, you can list it, number form or bullet form. Then we have learned how to insert tables, apply borders to it, then images, chart, symbol. So I have completed here my Word document. Now let me save. Now here your work starts. First click on save option. If you have already saved that file, you forgot to apply password, in that case you will click on save as option, but this is the first time I am saving, so I will click on save option. Have you understood? I mean, if you want to apply password to your Word file which you have already created, so that is already saved in your device, so then In that case, you will click on save as option. So as I click on save, I want to save it on my system. Here I will save it. Now see, as you click on save and where you want to save, you set the location, then this save dialog box appears. Now here, see, this is the file name. I will change it. This is the by default name given by the application program. I will change it. I'll write down learning password. That is okay. Now this is the file name. Now if you directly click on save option, it will get saved by the same routine. That means it is not set as a secured file. We want to apply password. So can you see just beside save tools option? So now, right now, don't click on save. If you click on save, you know what will happen. It will directly get saved, but we cannot save it now because we haven't set the password. So just beside that tools option, you can see, click on more option, and from there click on the general option. Now as you click on general option, see, it will ask you for two types of password. First is password to open. You can set different passwords for both, as I will do. See children, here two options are provided to you. First is you can simply set a password to open a file. That means if you open that file, you can only read it. But after reading, again you want to change it, modify it. In that case, you again set a password. You can set same passwords for both or different. Then you have option also read only recommended. If you select read only recommended, then in that case you do not need any password to modify. I will deselect that read only recommended because maybe after opening the file I may want to change it. I want to edit that, so I have to modify if in case. So I will not put myself into trouble. So again, as you see, you have set the password. You have suggested two types of password. One is to open the file and other is after opening if you want to make any changes. As you click on OK, again it will ask you to confirm the password. So that is just for you to check whether it is correct. So let me check. I'll type and click on OK. But see, it is given that if you forget this password, it cannot be recovered. So you need to set the password very attentively and some easy password you set. Also, it is case sensitive. Here case sensitive means suppose I have put a password NIKKI, Nikki. But here if N is capital, but here if N is capital and when I am typing I am writing all the letters in small letters, in that case it will not allow me to open the file because there will be a mismatch of the password. That is, for us, like in English we have capital letter and small letter. Same thing when we type using keyboard and you use caps for capital letter, that is called as uppercase, and for small letters it is called as lowercase. So it is case sensitive. Passwords are always case sensitive. Again it will ask you to match the password for modifying. So let me check. Here also, see, modify is not a security feature. See, this also they suggest you these lines. Malicious users can edit the file and remove the password. That means if somebody guesses your password and from that they can again remove your password option. So you have to take care. So here it doesn't mean that once you set the password it is always safe. You have to always keep on changing your password if the file is very crucial, and don't put easy password in that case. Now see, I have saved it. Now let me open. So from recent document, let me open. My file was just now, which file I have saved? This learning password. Now as I click on this learning password, nothing is visible. And if I write something, if I click, this dialog box will appear asking you to enter the password. Now see, if I don't enter and put cancel and I keep on trying, it will not allow me. See, I'm trying with all features. Can you see? I'm clicking on so many features, but none of the feature is getting enabled and allowing me. So again I will click on the same file. This time I will enter the password what I have set. Now it will match. If it matches, again two passwords I have set, one for opening the file and the other is to modify the file. So if I ignore that, see one option you must have seen, read only. So this time I have not put a password to modify, that means I just want to see, and I have enabled read only option. File will get appeared on my screen. What I did, can you see, this is the window which is only to read. Here again, if I try with many features, it is not going to allow me. See, I am trying to select, I'm trying to copy, I'm trying to cut. It will not allow me with any option. I cannot do anything to this file. Why? Because I have simply selected open the file, and where you can see text on both the pages together are visible. This is the read only file. So by looking at the window, you will also understand that which type of view it is. It is read only view. Let me close this file. So after closing, let me again open it. I will again click on the icon on the taskbar, word icon. Now again I will click on the recent document, learning password. Now again this window has appeared. I will enter the password to open the file. So here you see the second time when this password dialog box appears, this is asking you to enter it if you want to modify. But again, as I told you before also, you will get two options. One is if you want to modify it, you will enter the password, but you also have one more option, read only. This was the option which I have selected before. So now I will not select it. Why? Because I have seen if I click on read only, it will only allow me to read, but I cannot change the document. So now I will type the password. This I will not take now. Let me type the password and click on OK. See, this window appears. Now see the look and feel of the window. Before, when you have selected read only, it was the view of read only file view, correct, where you can see two pages side by side. Now this is the normal view of your word file. Now see, I will select MS Word and let me change something. Yes, I can do. See, now if I want to cut, copy, let me copy, and I will paste also. See, now you can see whatever I do, it allows me to apply those features or select those features. So this is something very interesting about setting password. I hope children you have liked this session. Please children learn to use these features.